Armenia is in talks with India to join Chabahar port that will give access to India and other Asian countries. Italian Prime Minister Meloni has ordered the immediate withdrawal of Italian government from all Belt and Road Initiative projects of China. Bharat Electronics Limited has secured a 580 crore rupees order from the Indian Army for annual maintenance contract of radar systems. Indian Army Lieutenant Colonel Nipun Sirohi has developed an artificial intelligence-based scope for target acquisition and engagement that will enable precise targeting at a distance of 300 meters. Chennai-based MRFA Tires is developing tires for Rafale Marine and TEDBF fighter jets. Russia's Rosbaronexport has proposed a trilateral co-production plan for its Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets with India and the United Arab Emirates. The co-production model will allow India and UAE to share the costs and benefits of manufacturing, while also gaining access to advanced technology and expertise. Under the proposed plan, the Su-57 would be partially manufactured in the UAE, Russia and India, with each partner country receiving a specific work share agreement. And this arrangement would not only boost the economies of the participating countries, but will also open up opportunities for exporting the Su-57 to other interested nations. The Indian Air Force has informed all 6 MRFA participants that they must prioritize indigenous air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons on their fighter jets. The Air Force hasn't ruled out the possibility of incorporating some foreign weapons, but it has made it clear that it wants the aircraft to be primarily equipped with Indian weapons. The weapons package accounts for 30% of the overall acquisition costs, and foreign manufacturers might be reluctant to sell the aircraft without their preferred weapons systems. The Air Force has also insisted on obtaining the source code for the main radar and mission computer, which is typically considered proprietary by aircraft manufacturers. Industry experts have said that the entire Super Sukhoi upgrade process will take approximately 3 years, as each new system undergoes thorough testing, validation and certification before full-scale implementation. Once the program is complete, HAL intends to offer these upgrades to other Su-30 operators in the region, as many Su-30 operators are facing difficulties in upgrading their fleets due to Western sanctions on Russia. Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited has said that the problem related to spare parts has been solved, and it has resumed the production of Dhanush artillery guns, and will deliver 26 new howitzers to the Indian Army before March 2024, that will take the total number to 50 units, and the company has promised to deliver all 114 units by 2026. Today's top 3 comments.